Hi guys, it's your boy Jack, and I have a special guest here who is
HyperBYT. Follow me, link in the description.
Okay, so what we're gonna do is we have bags, and we're gonna test out warheads, and then we have this toxic thing. Well, I never seen it before, but it has toxic waste, and it said it's really like
Hazardous.
and it's really sour. It says
And this says blue raspberry
extreme sour. So
And so
yeah.
So we and we also got crybabies. So we're gonna test. So we're each gonna have each candy that we got.
And see which one is the most sour or most.
Okay, the first one we're going is the crybaby. Which one?
Okay.
All right.
Let me fit out this thing real quick. Okay.
Intermission.
Yep. Oh shit! That did not happen.
Okay. So ready?
32. Not that bad so far.
Where's the bag go?
I got blown away. It's over there. Good. Put it out. So that wasn't that bad, but let's see the other
It's
one.
pretty sour, but not that sour.
Yeah, it was sour. Definitely a good first
Great
one.
taste, and it is gum, so you just have to chew it. Next thing is toxic waste. We're actually gonna put 2 in our mouth.
Really? Okay.
Yep.
I actually never tasted this. Ever.
Because these things are tiny. We're each gonna have blue and green.
Let's just have one first because it might be extremely sour.
So we're gonna put it in for 10 seconds. Doesn't even smell.
There we go.
All right. Open both though.
Looks like a freaking cough drop.
This is gonna be a very short YouTube video.
All right. It's already 2 minutes.
Shut up. Let's just have one so far. So.
All right. So we're gonna put in the blue one. 3, 2, 1.
Damn.
Is this sour?
Yeah.
Mhm.
Next one.
Fuck.
I thought the blue one was gonna be the worst.
Oh my god. Cry?
Yeah.
Okay, your turn.
Finish it.
Well, I'm gonna say with that, it's definitely sour, but after a while, it just turns to shit. But one was definitely sour. Then
At the end, it was just like I almost went into my mouth, so I had to spit it out.
So
I almost legit swallowed that.
yeah, the crybaby's not bad. It just lasts longer.
And that was way more sour than that.
Yeah, we're gonna try
Way more.
Warhead. I feel like this is one's. What?
The heck is this? Looks like a freaking Tootsie Roll.
Yep.
Tootsie Pop. Kind of. Mine is so sticky. See,
Put it in there. What are you doing?
Eat.
Okay, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Excuse
This
me.
is not sour.
Oh. Yeah, he's right. It's actually too much. No, I didn't know what
This is worse than the Crybaby.
Wow.
No. 9 more.
I'm your sound effect.
It's not
guys.
sour.
Not even sour. That's the worst one.
But kind of tastes good, so I'm gonna keep it in my mouth. So,
But anyways, the last place will definitely be this one, the Warhead.
Warheads. And then the second, Crybaby, and then the Toxic. The first.
Toxic Waste definitely has a strong kick to it,
Mhm.
but it only lasts for a little, but it's probably still the best.
Yep. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and go check out his channel if you want.
And do not
Because he's-
subscribe to This Is Mo.
Okay. Bye.